What is up, everybody? Welcome to another episode of the Moderns. Today we have set number 30446, the Batmobile. This is from, I believe, Batman vs Superman movie. Little poly bag, costs about $3-4 depending upon where you get it from. So let's see what's inside here. I mean, should be obviously a small lot of pieces, and here's our instructions. I mean, it should be a pretty straightforward, easy build. Does use both sides. A little advertisement here for some of the other sets. I do kind of want this one. I like that LexCorp forklift, but still haven't gotten that set. So, cool. Let's get to the build and see what it looks like at the end. Alright, so quick little review about this set. That was a pretty in-depth build for what I thought was going to be a relatively easy poly bag. They do a really good job of getting, I've seen the movie obviously now, it's been out for a while, of getting all the angles and little details in here like you'd see in the actual car in the movie, which I thought was really good, down to using this kind of like roll bar piece here to create these angles, and the guns with the clips here so that you can kind of get this angle. It's really good. It's a really interesting build for a poly bag, just because it's so in depth and there's so much to it. So I would recommend getting it because it's just kind of cool to see some of the techniques they use and some of how it all comes together. So if you are interested in this set, I will put a link in the description to Amazon if you want to buy it. If you do go on there and purchase something, we do get a small slice of that, which does help support the channel. But other than that, this has been another episode of The Moderns. Thanks for tuning in. We will see everybody next time.